Welcome back, Thai learners. In today's episode, we're diving into the captivating world of Thai drama, featuring lines from the first episode of The Secret of Us. Get ready to unravel the dialogues line by line as we translate them into English and explain every word in detail. This is your chance to expand your vocabulary and grasp the nuances of the Thai language, all while enjoying some great storytelling. Whether you're just starting your Thai language journey or you're looking to refine your skills, this video is tailored just for you. If you're excited about learning with us, don't forget to subscribe. By becoming a member, you'll gain exclusive access to the continuation of this content and enjoy special member-only privileges. Take your Thai learning journey to the next level with our exclusive content. Give us a thumbs up to support our videos and share your thoughts in the comments. Your engagement fuels our passion, and we absolutely love connecting with all of you. Ready for another thrilling language learning adventure? Let's jump in and explore Thai like never before.
คิดถึงพี่หมอจัง คิดถึงพี่หมอจัง
This phrase means I really miss you, doctor, or I miss you so much, doctor. Let's look at what each word means.
คิดถึง คิดถึง
To miss
พี่ พี่
is a term commonly used to refer to an older sibling, such as an elder brother or sister. It is a respectful title used to address someone older than the speaker, regardless of whether they are an actual sibling. This term signifies respect and is used in Thai culture to show deference and warmth towards someone who is older or in a position of authority or familiarity.
หมอ หมอ
Doctor
จัง จัง
is an adverb used to emphasize the intensity of an emotion or description. It functions similarly to very, really, or so in English. It is typically placed at the end of a sentence to enhance the expression of feelings, making statements more emphatic or dramatic. It adds a layer of informality and is often used in spoken Thai to convey strong emotional reactions. Additionally, in different contexts, it can also mean extremely or quite.
คิดถึงพี่หมอจัง คนบ้าอะไรสวยจัง คนบ้าอะไรสวยจัง
This phrase can be translated to English as, what a crazy beautiful person, or more casually, you're insanely beautiful. It's a playful and emphatic way to compliment someone's appearance.
คน คน
This word means person or people.
บ้า บ้า
Means crazy or insane.
อะไร อะไร
Is a versatile word that primarily means what and is used as a question word to inquire about the identity or nature of something. It can also imply something or anything when referring to an unspecified object or idea. In rhetorical or emphatic contexts, it adds emphasis to expressions, highlighting surprise or incredulity. In the phrase, it is used to express astonishment at someone's beauty, akin to saying, what kind of craziness is this beauty?
สวย สวย
Beautiful or pretty.
จัง จัง
As we mentioned earlier, it is an intensifier meaning really or very.
คนบ้าอะไรสวยจัง น้องเอิญมาเรียนอะไรที่นี่คะ น้องเอิญมาเรียนอะไรที่นี่คะ
Means, Ern, what are you studying here? This sentence is a polite inquiry about what Ern is studying at a specific location, reflecting a respectful and friendly tone.
น้อง น้อง
Refers to someone younger, typically a younger sibling, be it a brother or sister. The term extends beyond family to include younger cousins, friends, and even juniors in a workplace or social setting. It conveys a sense of endearment and familiarity, often used as a term of affection akin to dear or young one. In professional and social environments, it denotes someone less senior, serving as a respectful way to address younger colleagues or acquaintances. Additionally, in Thai culture, it's common to use to address younger strangers politely, such as waitstaff or salespeople, making it a versatile and culturally significant term.
มา มา
Primarily means to come and is used to indicate motion towards the speaker or the location being referenced. In the phrase, it indicates that Ern has arrived at the location, here, to study.
เรียน เรียน
Study or learn.
อะไร
What?
ที่นี่ ที่นี่
Here.
คะ คะ
A polite particle used by females at the end of a question.
น้องเอิญมาเรียนอะไรที่นี่คะน้องเอิญมาเรียนอะไรที่นี่คะไม่ต้องทำอะไรค่ะไม่ต้องทำอะไรค่ะ
This translates to no need to do anything. It's a polite way to let someone know that they don't have to take any action.
ไม่ต้อง ไม่ต้อง
No need to or don't have to.
ทำ ทำ
To do or to make.
ค่ะ ค่ะ
A polite particle used by females.
ไม่ต้องทำอะไรค่ะไม่ต้องทำอะไรค่ะค่าของชีพที่นี่มันสูงค่าของชีพที่นี่มันสูง
Which means the cost of living here is high.
ค่าครองชีพ ค่าครองชีพ
Living expense.
ที่นี่ ที่นี่
Here.
มัน มัน
It or it's used informally to refer to something.
สูง สูง
High.
ค่าของชีพที่นี่มันสูงลาเล่นค่ะลาเล่นค่ะ
Means just kidding or I'm joking.
ล้อ ล้อ
To joke or to tease.
เล่น เล่น
To play. In this context, it reinforces the idea of joking or not being serious.
ลาเล่นค่ะไม่สบายหรือเปล่าไม่สบายหรือเปล่า
Are you unwell or are you sick? It's a common way to ask if someone is feeling okay or if they might be ill.
ไม่สบาย ไม่สบาย
Unwell or sick.
หรือเปล่า หรือเปล่า
A phrase used to form a yes-no question, similar to or not. Or are you?
ไม่สบายหรือเปล่าไม่สบายหรือเปล่าปวดหัวนิดหน่อยค่ะปวดหัวนิดหน่อยค่ะ
Is used to express that someone has a slight headache.
ปวดหัว ปวดหัว
Headache.
นิดหน่อย นิดหน่อย
A little or slightly.
ปวดหัวนิดหน่อยค่ะปวดหัวนิดหน่อยค่ะ
That's it for today's episode. If you enjoyed diving into the world of Thai drama and expanding your language skills, make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Your support helps us create more amazing content just for you. Don't forget to share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you, and your feedback keeps us motivated and inspired. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting Thai language adventures. Until next time, keep practicing and have fun learning. See you in the next video.